In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find custom field ID in Jira. This is useful anytime you are building automation rules, configuring integrations, or working with the Jira REST API, because many tools refer to a custom field by its numeric ID instead of its display name. Start in Jira on your main dashboard, often labeled something like the For You page. From here, go up to the Settings menu, which is the gear icon. Select it to open the administrative options. In the Settings menu, choose Issues. This is where Jira keeps configuration for issue-related items like screens, fields, and workflows. Once you are in the Issues settings area, look for the section that relates to fields. Open Custom Fields. This will take you to the list of fields that exist in your Jira site. The list can be long, especially in mature Jira instances, so take your time to locate the exact custom field you need. Make sure you match the name carefully, since similar field names are common. When you find the field, move to the right side of that row and click the More icon, shown as 3 dots. In that menu, select the option to edit the field details. Jira will open a page where you can view or adjust information about that custom field. Now for the key part, the custom field ID is not always shown plainly on the page, but it is visible in your browser's address bar. Look at the URL at the top. Near the end of that address, you will see a parameter such as custom field ID =, or sometimes ID =. Immediately after that, there will be a number. That number is the custom field ID you are looking for. Carefully copy just the digits, without any extra characters. If you are pasting it into another tool, it is a good idea to keep a note of the field name alongside the ID, so you can recognize it later. Also, double-check that you opened the correct field details page before you copy the number, since copying the wrong ID can cause automations or integrations to point to the wrong field. That covers everything you need to know.